Hi, I'm Tim Dawson, CEO of Lauxes Grates. I'd like to tell you a little bit about our company I created. Established in 2010 under the trading name Lauxes Products, we have since rebranded and grown into Australia's most exclusive manufacturers of lineal floor grates, which is where we developed a product designed by tradies for tradies as a problem solver. Our customisable options and ease of on-site install made us the builder's choice. Functionality, durability and affordability made us the #1 customer choice. I wanted my company to be different, unique. We don't do boring and we definitely make shit happen. We breed a culture of can-dos and are constantly refining our practices and products to ensure we offer the best at all times. Our head office is based on the Gold Coast and with distribution centres in Perth, Melbourne and soon to be New Zealand. We have an awesome team and amazing distributors, all set to dominate the world.